What I did today was put on my water line and mask this hull up, freshly painted, so that I can basically sand the bottom, or in reality finish up these two spots. These were glassed in previously, um, about a week ago, and I got some. I ground down the dry fiber and put some more epoxy filler on some of these so that we can fare those out. Also have this rudder, same kind of thing. We did this whole rudder with glass and epoxy, and then put a good coat of epoxy filler, epoxy basically mixed with Cabsil and micro balloon to make a paste, and I'll sand those all out. Basically, it was all pretty much all set. And I just put in these little spots. It's just little divots here and there. You can see all the wet marks. Those just need to be sanded out, little low spots. And there's just a series of, small little nicks and small damage on this thing I took care of. So that's pretty much going on today. It's Saturday, which is my Friday, actually. I take Sunday and Mondays off. So Monday I will be back here. Tuesday I'll be back here, and I can do all that. The one other thing I'm going to do too, or did actually today, is this spot. Fill that in. I used polyester on it initially. For some reason that shit didn't dry. So I went ahead and used epoxy, which is what I've been using on everything else. I think we were just out that day, so I used some polyester, and I'm not sure if it was moisture or what, but that didn't dry, so I just peeled it off, and hopefully I have better luck with this epoxy fiber. I don't know, in any case, what I'd like to do is, another thing we did today is block up the keel so that I can move this trailer. Actually, you can see that we've got these 4 poppets set up, so the boat is basically off the trailer now. Initially we had it kind of blocked up on the trailer from underneath. These guys are going to get the trailer, they're going to cut these off and put in some poppet pieces, which makes sense. The boat actually has a couple of, you might even be able to see it, but it's got the hull is kind of pushed in a little bit because the weight of the boat has been on the hull and not the keel, which is supposed to be resting on the keel, and the poppets just kind of hold up the sides, you know what I mean? I'm barely resting on it, so there's some divots there, so they're going to get the trailer fit a little bit better. So basically my point is, we put the blocks up there so we can pull the trailer out, and not only that, but I'd like to take these poppets that are here and put them a little bit further back, so that way I don't have to redo the spots, and I only got the front 2 to sand and spray after the paint is on, eliminating the back 2, so I'll be able to finish and spray and do all that, and just have these last 2 up front to mess with after the fact, which helps. So that is the plan anyway. So Tuesday, my Monday.